Hey everyone and salams, welcome back to another episode of Clean with Sarah. Today we're making a really easy glass and window cleaner with just a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. So let's check it out. First, go ahead and grab yourself and clean an empty spray bottle, some distilled water or just water that you've boiled and cooled, some white distilled vinegar, just regular plain old vinegar, some rubbing alcohol, and finally cornstarch, and that's going to be our secret ingredient. Now you're going to want your water to be warm so that the cornstarch can dissolve in it properly. So go ahead and pour 1 cup of water into a bowl or measuring cup and then put in the microwave for about 30 seconds to warm it up. Alright, so first things first, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch into our warm water. I can't find my teaspoon, so I'm using a tablespoon and just eyeballing about 1 teaspoon. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the rubbing alcohol and then 2 tablespoons of the white vinegar. So now we'll just stir it up really well and then pour it into our bottle and give it another really good shake. And there you have it. You can use this on all your glass surfaces like windows, mirrors, tables, and I've heard it even works well on stainless steel surfaces too. Just spray it on and wipe with a microfiber or lint-free cloth and then buff it to a streak-free shine. Until next time!